Hi, this is Jenny, an artificial intelligence voice. On behalf of Shiwani Traders, I am here to let you know something very interesting. Please allow me to share it. Why you should invest in our halal business now. Dear potential investors, we are thrilled to share some exciting news with you. Our company has achieved a monthly profit of 2.3% for January 2023, signaling a significant increase from the previous month. This is just one of the many achievements we have accomplished in the past 36 months, thanks to our disciplined and ethical approach to investing. Here are some of the reasons why you should invest in our company now. We have a proven track record of delivering strong returns to our investors, with an average annual return of 21.76% over the past 36 months, well above the market average. We continue to identify opportunities for growth and expansion in the global halal industry, which is one of the fastest-growing markets in the world. We have an expert team that carefully analyzes market trends and employs a methodical approach to investing to maximize returns while minimizing risk. We operate a truly halal business that aligns with Islamic principles and values. This means avoiding any unethical practices, such as dealing in interest, manipulating stock prices, or cheating customers. We use profit-sharing models and Sharia-compliant methods of financing, ensuring that we operate in a way that is consistent with Islamic principles. We prioritize honesty and transparency in our dealings with customers and stakeholders, avoiding any deceptive practices and providing excellent customer service to build long-term relationships. We apologize for the delay in sharing our performance information and commit to prompt communication in the future. We invite you to reach out to us with any questions or concerns. Thank you for considering our company as a potential investment opportunity. We look forward to working with you and delivering strong results for your portfolio. By investing with us, you can trust that your values align with ours and that you are supporting a business that prioritizes honesty, fairness, and integrity. To get started, please scan the QR code from your WhatsApp and get connected with us. We would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Thank you for your time and attention. We really appreciate your interest and consideration. Some new updates will follow. Till then, may the Almighty bless every moment of your life with joy and peace.